Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Flybuys app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Flybuys app, and now once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface of the Flybuys apps on the screen. So now you can see there is a sign in button at the bottom of this section, so let's tap on the sign in. And you can see it is asking us for our email address or our Flybuy number. So you simply need to enter your credentials in here, and you can also scan your card by tapping on the scan card, and you can scan your card from here. So let me cancel it for now, and you need to enter your password afterward. So once you complete all the credentials, simply tap on the sign in button, and yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your password, then just tap on the forgot your password on the screen, complete few more formalities, and once you verify yourself, you will be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Flybuys app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.